Kia ora and welcome back to the Long Bay track. Is it worth your time heading up further on the coastal walk? Join me, Binky T, where I'll answer this question for you. We're heading north on the stunning Pohutukawa Bay, where we'll get some of the best views of the Hauraki Gulf. Stick with me to find out what you'll see. To give you a better idea of the walk, we're starting here at the bay and following the track all the way up to that viewpoint. Pohutukawa Bay to Piripiri Lookout, which is this beautiful rock face up here. So yes, coastal walk is in total 3 hours return. Just doing it in little bits. Birds are a lot more active up here. Active. There was quite a few, I'm not sure, massive geese looking things on the Pohutukawa beach. Massive swan bird things down here, don't know what those are. To the left we have a farmland. Well no, it's a reserve, right? It's a reserve. Hello. Hey. Essentially walking up a cliff face right now. So she's pretty steep. But look at that. Rangitoto, coastal track all the way along. Long Bay far in the distance. Oh, looks a bit burnt. Looks like they might have sprayed these weeds.
Thistles.
Thistles, yeah, I wouldn't fancy walking through that. Oh my gosh. This part of the track's quite nice. It's all quite nice actually.
It's a beautiful place to it.
It's sunny, sunny, sunny. Oi, oi, oi. Indeed. A wee respite picnic spot.
Yeah.
Right. Wow, look at this. It's like lightning hit these trees or something.
A nice place to have a picnic, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. Unfortunately, food is in the car.
Yeah,
Next time. Lovely.
got a lot to learn.
Through the bush. Treading very lightly here. Oh, that's a no. I'm not going through gauze. And this is your Piripiri Point with a pretty tiny picnic spot. Super close. Again, this walk is a full 3 hours if you were to do the coastline track. You can also return via the beach if you wish, but beware of low and high tides. Again, thank you for watching. Let me know where you're from. Are you travelling to New Zealand? I do like to read the comments, so anything is appreciated. If you want to help me, please subscribe if you haven't already. And I look forward to showing you more of this beautiful country.